The next construction is a square. And in order to do a square, we're going to need to do a few constructions that we've done put together to create our square. So first thing we need to do is start with a side of our square. So using the straight edge, I'm going to make side, and I'm going to call this AB. And that is going to be the base of my square, and all of the sides will need to be the same because you know a square has 4 congruent sides. You should also know that a square has perpendicular sides, so that means that the first thing we need to do is make a piece over here that is perpendicular to side AB. So to do that, I'm going to extend this a little bit further so that we have some space to do our perpendicular piece. So taking the compass, I'm going to measure out a small distance. It doesn't need to be huge. And with the point on B, I'm going to make an arc over here and over there. Now, from this arc, I'm going to make the compass a little bit larger to make sure I intersect the 2 arcs. I'm going to start at this piece. I'm going to make a mark above and a mark below. With the compass at the same setting, I'm going to go to this side and make a mark above and a mark below. And now, if I connect these 2 points, they should connect and give me a perpendicular bisector through B. So now I know that this right here is perpendicular. Alright, going back to the compass, I'm going to measure side AB because this is the side length of the square. So now I know that this side right here is going to need to be the same as this side right here. So with the point on B, I'm going to make an arc. And now I'm going to call that point C. So now I've made side BC, which is the same length as side AB. So the last thing I need to do is find point D out here. And I can do that using the same measurement that I used for those 2 sides. I'm going to now put on point A and make an arc. And then I'm going to come over here and put it on point C and make an arc. And now this piece right here is the same length as that one and that one and that one. So this, which I'm going to call point D, is now my 4th point. So if I take, I'm going to do this in the marker just so it shows up a little bit better. Here is BC, which is the same length as AB, which is the same length as AD, which is the same length as CD. And these are all right angles. So I have 4 congruent sides with 4 right angles. So I have now made square ABCD.